Why are deep-sea specimens so fragile outside their habitat? Imagine discovering a creature that looks like it belongs on another planet, only to find it falls apart the moment you touch it. That's often what happens with deep-sea animals when they're brought to the surface. These creatures live in a world of extreme conditions that are very different from what we experience every day. The deep ocean is a place of crushing pressure, freezing temperatures, and total darkness. Life there has evolved in ways that make them perfectly suited for those conditions but very vulnerable outside of them. At the depths where these animals live, the pressure is hundreds of times greater than at the surface. Their bodies are soft and gelatinous because they don't need hard bones or shells to support them. Instead, their bodies are supported by the immense pressure of the water around them. When they are pulled up to the surface, that pressure suddenly drops. Their tissues expand rapidly, often causing them to rupture or tear apart. Their skeletons, if they have any, are usually thin or flexible to handle the pressure, but that makes them fragile when exposed to normal air pressure. Many deep-sea creatures have slow metabolisms and delicate enzyme systems that work only under high pressure and low temperatures. These enzymes help their bodies function smoothly in the cold, dark environment. When taken out of that environment, their enzymes can become damaged or stop working properly. This causes stress, and sometimes the animals die because their bodies can't handle the sudden change. Their slow growth and reproduction rates mean they aren't built to recover quickly from injuries or environmental shifts. A lot of these animals are gelatinous or transparent, like jellyfish or certain sponges. Their tissues are mostly water, making them extremely fragile. When handled or exposed to air, they can tear easily or collapse because they aren't used to the air's dryness and pressure differences. Collecting them is a challenge because traditional sampling methods can crush or damage their delicate bodies. Scientists often have to use special tools and remote-controlled vehicles to study them in their natural habitat, avoiding damage. From a weird science point of view, bringing these animals to the surface can cause bizarre and sometimes grotesque results. Some look like alien creatures with bloated or distorted bodies because of the pressure changes. These strange effects make studying them tricky but also fascinating. Their strange adaptations, like bioluminescence or extreme flexibility, are a result of living in one of Earth's most extreme environments. But these same features make them very delicate when removed from their habitat. The extreme conditions of the deep sea have shaped these animals into beings that are almost fragile by design. Their bodies are finely tuned to survive in a world of immense pressure, cold, and darkness. When they are taken out of that environment, their bodies can't handle the sudden change. This fragility is a reminder of how unique and delicate life can be in the most extreme parts of our planet. It also shows why studying these creatures requires special care and equipment to avoid destroying what makes them so extraordinary.